Hey everybody. So this will actually be kind of more of an interactive demo, and I'll make this one fast. So Airchat is instant phone books. So our belief is messaging is pretty core with mobile, and unlike a lot of the other messaging apps that are out there to date, Airchat is crowdsourced contacts. So when you take a look at how these messaging services work on your phone right now, like iMessage, WhatsApp, or Facebook, it's built off of your own personal graph. With Airchat, we believe there's a future in bringing together people in your contacts on your phone in more of a crowdsourced way. So we've gone and we've built an app that does that, and it's very simple. We describe it as a phone book. So what you can do is basically create a phone book around any location or any group and name it, and anyone can search that phone book by name, and we'll present it if there's a phone book that's been created around you at the top of the list. You tap one button and you're instantly in that phone book. And what you do in that phone book is chat. So in a private way, you can instantly reach anybody that you want to within that phone book and send private messaging. So the belief is, there was one more slide in here that's not in. The belief is that in kind of loosely associated organizations where you may not want to have people actually saved as contacts in your phone, Airchat would kind of fill that gap in the market. So you can kind of think of situations like school, classmates kind of in a student group, a section, maybe it's a kind of a house, a Greek house of kind of people that are kind of coming in and out, and the phone book is an entity that lives on its own and persists. It's not attached to any owner. So it is transient in nature, but the identities of people, they associate and anchor to that phone book, so you can bounce in and out of it. Work is a great example. Typically, you don't want to save every coworker's contact on your phone, but you may want to be able to contact them for messaging and communication, in an ad hoc manner. So this would be great, for that application. So really, we think in the future, as far as communications, we think this would be a great model kind of to follow in the footsteps of like Dropbox or Evernote, where they created kind of this consumer business hybrid model where you get fast penetration through offering just a very simple and delightful consumer product that spreads very virally, and then we're able to go and bill against actual businesses that establish large work groups on a per kind of head monthly basis. So the business model is kind of structured in a way for us to really grow rapidly based on these phone books being created everywhere, and then ultimately going and creating a business model around billing the businesses that are finding the most value out of it through large contact lists being built out. So everyone is invited to actually download Airchat. We just released the first version a month ago, and we kind of been iterating on that and just pushed the second version of it this week. So you can go to airchat.me. We only have iPhone for now. We're working on Android at the moment. And I created a phone book called SM New Tech. So that should actually pop up if you agree to the location services at the top of the menu. And then you're able to message anyone in this room that joins the phone book for any future conversations.